Hi, welcome to this series of videos. In this videos, we'll revise topics from Java. We'll start from primitives and go as far as concurrency, modules, literally everything we can cover. This will be small videos, maybe a couple of minutes to 5 minutes, and we are going to try and revise all the topics. The content of the video is directly related to the Java documentation, and you can actually go to the reference material and have a look yourself. And we are going to cover the primitive data types, the first one being boolean. The boolean primitive data type represents a binary value, and it can have either true or false as its value, and generally used to make a decision. So let's have a look at an example and go through. So if you go with the payment domain, you might have something like, is payment successful? So if the payment is successful, you might have to take a decision, and you can have a value as true or false. So you only have two options here. If you try to give it something else, the compiler says that it's a wrong assignment. So you can only have a true or false here. And based on the value of is payment successful, you can make a decision, something like, if is payment successful, then take a decision, and we are going to just print success, and else you can take a decision saying and if you go and print, you get success. If you make it as false, you go in the next block and print failed. You can also have a tertiary operator here, so maybe something like int money, and you can have it as, is payment successful? Yes. Then maybe money is 100, else the money is 0, and now the money's value will also be printed here, something like money. And now if you go and run the program, the money comes as 0 because it was failed. If you make it as true, you get 100 bucks here. If you come below and maybe you use one more primitive type called short, and you try to maybe have the boolean casted as a short, the compiler complains inconvertible type cannot cast boolean to short. But if you just change it to boolean, a boolean can be casted to a boolean, and then come here and print s, and s will have the same value as successful. So that should be enough for revising a boolean primitive type. Thanks for watching.